Hello everybody. Now I want to show to you how to use the layer. First, go to the window, select layer, then go to the window again, select entity info. Okay, the layer is similar to the AutoCAD layer. It is used to manage the line in your drawing to be more manageable, especially when there are too many components in your drawing. First, we add layer here. So I put my first layer is floor, second layer is wall, third layer is ceiling, fourth one is the furniture. So just make only 4 examples here. So here are all the layers. When you select, for example, the floor here, okay, so when you start to draw any object here, okay, for example this floor, this, when the layer is on, anything that you draw in the drawing box here is automatically will be assigned to this layer. So which means this layer is floor, so this box is a floor. If you activate the wall layer, so when you draw anything here, okay, this box automatically will assign to the wall layer. So on this box, this layer box, it has plus and minus symbol icon here. Plus means you can add layer, minus you can delete the layer. And then you have the layer here with the name that you can put any name. And then there is a box here. This we call as a visible box. Okay, when you want to on off it, you just click here. For example, there is already 2 layers here, so I want to off floor, so floor will be hide temporarily. So you want to turn on back, just click here, and then the color indicators for the layer. Okay, so now we start to draw. So I want to make some example here to show how to use the layer. First, we draw the floor here. Okay, put floor, this floor 6 meter, 6 meter, then press enter. So I put some height here, 150 millimeter. Okay, and then I convert this floor into component. The reason why I convert this wall into component, because maybe I plan to make this layout for the multiple levels. Okay, so if I want to edit, I just go to this component. I don't have to go to edit every single floor. Okay, select component, put the name floor, and then press enter. Okay, if you click to the object, okay, entity info will show the details about the layer, this object, including the layer. If you want to change this floor to another layer, just go to the entity info, go to the layer, and then select any layer that you want this floor to change. Okay, if you want to change the floor to the wall layer, just click wall. So this object now in the wall layer. If you turn off the wall layer, okay, this floor will disappear. If you want to change back, go back to the wall, then select floor. So now we create the wall. So make a wall here. So this wall 150. Okay, make a wall. So I raise the wall here to 3 meter high. 3 meter. So now I include together this wall with the window. Put some window here. Okay. Window here. Alright. So okay, put big window over here. Big window. Okay. So another window. Okay, I just make without using any measurement here. Just show some example to you guys. Okay. Now this, okay, because we don't active the wall, so this wall is in the floor layer. Okay, first convert this one into component wall, and then assign this layer for this wall into the wall layer. So now this is the wall. Maybe I need to put some the glass window here. Okay, put glass window here. Okay, so this glass, okay, put glass, go to the material, select the translucent object. So now I don't have this wall, so maybe I need to assign this layer to the wall. Okay, go and then assign to the wall. Okay. Now we do the ceiling. Active the ceiling first, or you can draw and assign later. Ceiling. Okay. So make some design here. Okay, make it here 600. Another here, maybe 600. So I delete this layer. Twenty. Okay, make the component ceiling. Okay, so already in the ceiling group, then move a little bit here. Okay, now we have the room here. So the reason why we need to do the layer, because if I already made this building complete with the envelope, so I don't have any space to put the furniture. So when I want to put a furniture, maybe it's not maybe, it's very difficult to put the furniture here. So when you have the layer, you can turn off any object that you want to remove, or you want to hide. If you want to put a furniture here, definitely you must to hide the wall here. Okay, or some of the line here. Okay, and then the maybe the ceiling here. Okay, this one, the outline here, assign to the wall. Okay, alright. So I need the floor. No floor. Oh, sorry. Okay, this floor. Okay, okay, assign to the floor. Okay, alright. So floor, yes. Okay. So now you can have the floor here, and then you can put your furniture. Yeah. Oops. Put furniture here. Maybe a sofa here. Okay. So this is the sofa here. Alright. Okay, convert into maybe into component sofa. Okay, change the size a little bit here. Alright. Make some copy here. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Then make component single sofa. Alright, great. So I have sofa here. You set a sofa here. Then put one table here. Okay. Alright. Then make another component table. Maybe this thing is too big, make it smaller. Okay, now I move it. Okay. Okay, now when I finish to put all the furniture here, maybe include another one here, maybe the dining chair here. Dining chair. Make it 750. Okay, this is the dining chair. Right. Okay. Alright, this one is a component. Okay, just click. This one is a component. Okay, good. Okay, now when you finish, you can turn on back the wall and the ceiling. Okay, here you are. If you want to do or make this room to multiple level, select all, make this as a copy first. So I want to make another maybe 3x, enter. So I have multiple level of this link. Okay, you can create another layer here. So I put here ground floor, first, second, and third. So now I want to assign this floor into the ground floor, this one to the first floor, this one to the second floor, this one to the third floor. So every object can be assigned into more than one layer. Okay, if I want to do modification on the design on this first floor, so I activate the first floor here, and I disable the ground floor, second floor, and the third floor. Okay, so I still can hide this wall to do some interior here. Maybe I put here, I remove the wall, so no wall here. Okay, if I just want to do some modification on the ceiling, okay, I can hide all of the items that I don't want. I only on the ceiling layer here. For me, easy to do some editing. Okay, so here you want to add something on your wall, on the layout here. So disable the ceiling. Maybe I want to include the wall, so I want to put something on my wall. Maybe I want to change the material here. Okay, so I go open the window, materials. I want to put some bricks wall inside this house. Okay, position, increase the size. Okay, all right. Okay, this wall. Okay, same thing to this wall. Just need only one layer surface here. Then you can get okay. So I want to change the floor here. Okay, another maybe carpets. Yeah, maybe carpets. Okay, put carpet here. Okay. Maybe another furniture. You can add furniture, or you can add example if you want to include the this one in the wall here. Maybe this one is a component, so if you want to add and you want to other floor also can have new component here, you can edit by using the component. Go into editing mode and then put anything that you want here. For example, you want to make big painting here. Okay, big painting here. Okay, material, change it. Another material, maybe tonal pattern, don't know. Okay, yeah, not clear. Okay, geometric tile. Maybe okay, alright. So now we do some modification here, and then when you finish you can turn on back the other floor. Okay, as we can see here, all the floor here. Okay, just change all the design also effect, because we use many of our room component is the component, so just edit only one floor and then other floor also change. Okay. So if you want to edit on the third floor, you can disable another floor. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, furniture again. Okay. And then remove the furniture, or maybe the ceiling. If you want to edit the ceiling, remove the wall here. Maybe I don't want the floor here. Just go to the ceiling here. Maybe this ceiling I want to make it a big hole here in the middle. Maybe I want, okay, some fancy design. Okay. And then okay, just do any design that you want. Okay, when you're done, you can turn on back all the layer. So as we can see, all the design also change. You can see we have all floor with a new ceiling. So guys, so the layer is very important, make your life easier, so make your drawing more manageable. Okay guys, thank you for now. Bye.